Hello everyone and welcome to European Piano Technique Mastery course for beginners. In this video we will be learning our E major scale with both hands for the very first time. So we will be doing it note by note as usual, adding from lower note to high note and then from high note to the lower note. So we're going to do both hands together. I will not name any fingers today, maybe some of them just to remind you at first, and then some of them while we are doing it, but I assume you watched and learned the previous video about E major where we learned it with separate hands. So today we'll only be doing both hands without going into details of separate hands. So please pre-learn that previous video so you know your separate hands well before learning this video. Okay, so in the right hand we have our first finger on E and first finger on A. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We're only going to be doing one octave today, and then left 5 on E, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 3 on C sharp, and then finishing on E, like E on top. Okay, so then we're going to do both hands, only first two notes together, so it will be E and F. We're going to go only way up first, so E, F, like that. You prepare your hands, prepare your fingers on the keys, very relaxed wrists, very loose hands, and just always remember touching with the soft parts under your fingers there, so you feel like you're kind of caressing the keys and playing them very like gently, but with a little bit of finger effort going into the key. Okay, like active touch. So watch my other videos about like different ways of touch, about the exercises. So fingers should always be active, especially with those tips and those angles, like with the, you know, with the tip touching the keys with the soft part under the nail there. So now we're going to the first note and second note again, so E and F sharp, like that. And we do a few times, 5 on E in left, 1 on E in right. Then we're going to do F sharp, G sharp together. Make sure when you play those, you just make sure the notes are always sounding together. Sometimes when people, like students, join the scales for the first time, they feel like the notes are not going together, so make sure you always work in sync between hands. So F sharp, G sharp exactly together like that, and loose hands. See, so F sharp, G sharp a bit, then we go together E, F sharp, G sharp, slowly, see, left 5, 4, 3, right 1, 2, 3 there. Okay, so, and do a few times on those. Then we go G sharp, A, and notice 1 in right on A there. See, like that, and do a few times. You can lift fingers about 1 to 2 centimeters above the keys, like that, and F sharp, G sharp, A a bit, like that. And then E to A, so E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Play a few times. So we are building up by one note as we're going up. Then after that we're going to do A and B, so right 1, 2, left 2, 1, A and B together. Then G sharp to B, G sharp, A, B, like that, slowly. A few times, always prepared on the keys. Then F sharp to B. See, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, F sharp, G sharp, A, then B, then E to B, so E, F sharp, G sharp, then A, then B, and do it few times slowly like that. Make sure you play always all your notes together, like that. Then we add an extra note on top, so B to C sharp, and notice left goes 1, 2, 3, right 2 to 3. Okay, so that's the fingering. And then A to C sharp, A, B, C sharp. Like that, few times. Repeat every position few times until you are really confident with that position before moving to the next one. Then we're doing G sharp to C sharp, so G sharp, A, B, C sharp, so G sharp, A, B, C sharp, and again. Then F sharp to C sharp. And then E to C sharp. Like that. Then we cover D to C sharp, then we add an extra note on top. C sharp to D sharp, right 3, 4, left 3, 3, 2 there. So we go C sharp, D sharp, C sharp, D sharp, then B to D sharp few times. Then we're going to descend by one note and repeat in every position again few times each. So B, C sharp, D sharp, then A to D sharp, then G sharp to D sharp as well. And make sure you play always all your notes evenly. That means all of them are about mezzo forte sound. If you're just beginning, you know, to play piano, you can play softer, but if you're already a bit more advanced, or not advanced, like advanced beginner, so to speak, you can play a little bit louder. Okay, so G sharp to A to B, to C sharp to D, then F sharp to D sharp as well. And then E to D sharp. Always you go 1 on A and right and 3 on C sharp and left. Then we add an extra note on top, which is our top E. Then we go in D sharp to E there. Few times as well, repeat them. We're only going way up, as you can see. And then we go in D sharp E, then C sharp, D sharp, E. See? Always fingers actively taking the keys and immediately relaxing after pressing all the keys. This is very important as well. So C sharp, D sharp, E again, then B to E, like that, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, few times as well, then A to E, that way, so A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, then G sharp to E. According to the fingering of the scale. So G sharp to E again there. So G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, then F sharp to E, all the way up, and then again F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, then E to E finally, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, and again do it few times until you're very fluent with this first octave, and do it extra couple of times. So then you've done the work to go up from low note to high note. Then we're going to do same thing by just going down from up, but descending note by note and adding back to the top note, working on every single position again. So we're starting from the top, E sharp and D sharp there, like that, then D sharp to C sharp, there, then E, D sharp, C sharp, that way, then C sharp to B, few times. Notice 1 and left goes on B, there, C sharp to B, then D sharp to B, D sharp, C sharp, B there, then E to B, then B to A, B, A, C, we add an extra note and doing 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes up to the top note, okay, so B to A there, then C sharp to A, C sharp, B, A, then D sharp, C sharp, B, A, we keep on adding extra notes on top now, so D sharp, C sharp, B, A, then E to A, all the way just to A, so E, C sharp, C sharp, B, A, and one more time, then A to G sharp, to G sharp, B, A, G sharp, that way. And C sharp to G sharp. And D sharp to G sharp, so D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp there. And do it a few times. And then E to G sharp. There, so E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp. And then G sharp to F sharp. We keep on adding extra note on the bottom there, so G sharp, F sharp now. Then A to F sharp. Okay, so A, G sharp, F sharp like that. Then B to F sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp that way. Then C sharp to F sharp. So C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and one more time again. And D sharp to F sharp, so D sharp, C, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and repeat until you know every position very well without mistakes. And again, that one, D sharp to F sharp, and then E to F sharp. So E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and repeat it until you're fluent with that, until all your notes are sounding together. You're doing correct fingering all the time, 1 and left on B, and then you're going down 3 on G sharp and right, and then finally we add in last note on the bottom, which is E, so we're going F sharp, E only first, like that. Then G sharp to E, G sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, E, like that. Then A to E, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Notice 1 and right on A, so A, G sharp, F sharp, E there. Then A to E now, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Then B to E, all the way there. Then again B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E there. Then C sharp to E, notice left hand 3 on C sharp, 1 on B, so C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp again. And then D sharp to E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Notice how you lift fingers a little bit above the keys, at least like 1-2 centimeters, so you get the very active finger action there. So again, D sharp to E. And then finally, we're going to do E to E, all the notes together going down, so E, D sharp, C sharp, 1 and left on B, B, A, then 3 on right, I mean 3 in right on G sharp, then F sharp, E, so E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, and again do it couple of times until you are fluent with this position, okay? So that was our 1 octave, like long position, so E to E. So once you've done all those positions going up and going down, you can play fluent, going up like that. See, slowly, just 1 octave going up, you know that well without missing the fingering, without going not together. That means you already mastered it to some degree, so you keep repeating that every day then. And this one is just a very basic foundational work for very beginners to make the hands join together well on each scale. We cover in every little element, every little beat, every little position, as you can see. Yes, it's a little bit more difficult than just playing through the scale, but this pays off. This method really pays off. If you follow it, your scales will be much more even, much more like reliable later on. You won't be able to make mistakes as often as you would otherwise, because sometimes people, when they learn just both all the way up and down, they will be more likely to make some mistakes with fingering. So this is very detailed work. So once you know how to play up, then you know how to play down also without mistakes. See? Like that, slowly. Then just know how to play down without any mistakes, without any wrong fingering. That includes without mistakes. So after that you can do a couple of times up and down, just laying all the way up and going back down, slowly like that. See, always preparing your fingers on the keys. See, like that. And do it a few times, then up and down together. See? This will be your foundational work for joining both hands of E major scale. Okay, this is like very first step. After this you can extend the range and do 2 octaves up and down, but this is just the first step to get all the fingers work together. Sometimes people struggle with that. So please do follow this way. You will see you will get much better results once you get the system. See, if you learned like from my other videos, you will know I always like to join scales like this with both hands, so position by position and then note by note, and then going back to the note we started from. We go up first, then we go back down after that. If you just get the logic of it, you can apply it to any scale, and that really will help you to get much better, much faster progress eventually, because this is very detailed work. Again, I'll repeat, before this video, please learn the previous video, because without the previous video where you don't know, if you don't know how to play separate hands, you will struggle with both. So then you're ready for this one, and study this video until you know how to play fluently up, fluently down, and then up and down, just 1 octave. Very slowly, with good action, with good touch, with even sound, then you'll be well on your way getting your E major better and better. Okay, so this will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.